Have you ever wondered how to unlock hidden features and supercharge your browsing experience? Well, you are in luck. In this video, I'll show how you can enable experimental flags in Chrome on PC. So let's start. To do this, first of all, open up the Chrome browser on your computer. Now, click in the address bar and type chrome://flags/ and hit enter. Here you will find all the experimental flags. You can enable or disable them simply by clicking on the box next to the flag and choosing your preferred option. You can also use the search bar to look for the flag you want. Messed up all the settings? No worries. Just hit the reset all button from the upper right corner of the screen and then relaunch the browser. And everything will be back to the old configuration. So guys, that's how you enable experimental Chrome flags. If the video helped you out, smash that like button. Want more Chrome related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel because I've got tons more coming. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.